Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on player attribute masking in eFootball Manager Mobile 2024. So you have to unmask the player attribute using your scout staff. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can make your own tactic or how you can manage the club like the finance, and also how you can train and manage your player. So you can get this game for free if you are directly installed from Netflix, but you have to make a subscription first. But if you don't have Netflix, you can get this game from Play Store or App Store, and you have to pay in some amount. So let's get started. For example, let's tap the player here, Christian Eriksen, or the other player, sorry. The other player, except your own player. For example, this Aurelian Chouameni from Real Madrid. So I'm turning off the player attribute masking so I can see this all attribute. But if you turn on the player attribute masking, this attribute will not show like this. So it will be like zero or strip. You have to scout the player, tap the scout to see all his attributes. So if you wanna make some challenge like optimize your scout, this is staff scouts like this. You have to turn on the player attribute masking. Let's get back to the start menu here. Tap settings, tap view, tap starting configuration. So you have to play new file or new game, start new game to enable this player attribute masking. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.